What is Bonfire Night? Bonfire Night, also called Guy Fawkes Night or Fireworks Night, is a British festivity.
Why do people celebrate Bonfire Night? The story of Guy Fawkes goes back to the early 1600s. During this period, there were religious problems between Protestants and Catholics in Britain. King James I was a Protestant, and he passed severe laws against Catholics. For example, they weren't permitted to have religious services.
A group of 12 boys decided to kill King James I and destroy the Parliament building. They planned to blow up the Houses of Parliament on the 5th of November 1605, when the king was present. This was called the Gunpowder Plot.
The king's soldiers discovered the plot. Guy Fawkes was immediately arrested and tortured. The other plotters were found 3 days later. The Guy Fawkes and the others were hanged.
The gunpowder rhyme. Most Brits grew up learning the simple Bonfire Night rhyme. Remember, remember, the 5th of November, gunpowder treason and plot. We see no reason why gunpowder treason should ever be forgot.
How do people celebrate this day? People across the UK celebrate Bonfire Night with fireworks, big bonfires, and sparklers.
Many families also create effigies of Guy Fawkes and burn them in bonfires, either in their own backyards or with other members of the community.
The bonfires are used to cook potatoes wrapped in foil and sausages and heat up soup for the people that come to fireworks.
They also eat toffee, apples, and pumpkin cakes. A sticky cake containing mix of oatmeal, ginger, treacle, and syrup.
Penny for the guy. Young people in Britain make a guy using old clothes and fill him with newspaper. Then they go around the street asking for a penny for the guy, please. With this money, they go to buying fireworks. And that's all about this festivity. Let's see what students of 5th of primary have prepared.
Gunpowder, treason, and blood. I see no reason why gunpowder treason should ever be forgot.